This is a quick video tutorial about using sliders and dynamic text in GeoGebra. Let's start with the equation of a straight line. Y equals mx plus b. Click on Create Slider and that creates two sliders for me. If I click on the button and drag, that will update the values of the parameter, which updates the equation and also the graph on the screen. I can change those values manually by clicking and typing, but I can also animate by pressing play and going through all the values in that slider. I can also change the speed. Now, if I want to change the values for which that parameter works, I just click on the end value and change those values myself, the lower bound, the upper bound, and even the step size. Now, to help students understand that the slider is only controlling the parameter in the equation, I like to display the equation on the screen next to the graph. And the simplest way to do that is to grab the equation and to pull it onto the screen. And notice now that when I change the value of the slider, that text also changes. If I want to have a bit more control about how this works, I click on the text here and I can create that manually. Just start typing. However, the text that I've got here is going to be static text. It will not update. If I want dynamic text that updates with the parameters, I click on Advanced and the GeoGebra icon there, and I can click the values here. So notice that the values inside these little boxes are going to be dynamic text. Those outside are static, therefore won't change. So dynamic text is a great way to help students with their understanding by giving them clues on the screen about what is going on. And you can use them in a number of ways.